Good morning to one and everyone. My name is Akash, and today I'm presenting this business model canvas for my ideas. The name of my firm would be Tathastu. This is a tried and tested idea. So our problem statement is how can we make staycation economical and accessible for 100 million millennials based out of India. So I had chalked out this business model canvas. I will follow the same approach as we have been taught in the course. So I'll start with customer segment. Let's get started. So in the customer segment, we are targeting mainly two sets of customer. One would be the guest and second would be the host. For the guest, we are basically targeting working people whose age varies between 25 to 40 and who travels mainly for their leisure, hikes and adventure trips. Next set of guests would be business travelers, business corporates who travel for sole business purpose. That's all. And next we have host. For host, we are targeting property owners, hotel owners, and homestays. We are also targeting property managers, but these are the three main hosts that we are targeting for now. Next, we will cover the value proposition. For value proposition for guests, we have large number of options. We have spacious and verified properties. It will be easy to book and easy to reschedule. Map view of properties, they can view where exactly the property is located. And we have customer friendly cancellation and refund policies as well. We'll place local guides as well in some of the places, which can help the customers to give them better experience. And free breakfast. Customer support. Customer support would be common for guest as well as host both. Now for host, we have high reach and high visibility because we are catering to the people across the city. It will be easy for them to list and manage their properties. It will be easy for them to scale. They can manage multiple properties at one time, and we'll be providing them professional services. As I said before, customer support would be common for the guest and host as well. Now, next we have customer relationship. Here we are maintaining the customer relationship through self-service, and we have customer support as well. Now the channels we are mainly we have the application, the Thastu mobile application for both Android and iOS both, and we will have a website as well. Next, we'll also have our own page on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and many more. Even we are targeting on LinkedIn as well. Now, we'll talk about say revenue streams. So our revenue streams mainly will be so we will make money mainly through two revenue streams. One, we'll be charging some commission from our host, and one we will be also charging service fees from our guest. Next, we have key resources. So in the key resources, we have our employees, we have our website, we have our application, both Android and iOS. We have our social media pages and accounts. We have our listed properties. So these are the part of the key resources. For the key activities, we have customer service, web page and application development and maintenance, sales and marketing, property onboarding, auditing, managing outliers such as bad incidents on behalf of host and guest both, and data privacy, of course. Now, next we have key partners. Our key partners will include property owners or host, legal entities, investors, banks, corporates, professional photographers, influencers, insurance company. So when we'll say influencers, we are also aiming to collaborate with social media influencers, which will help us in getting the visibility, which will help us in getting a good name among the customers. Because generally people follow their influencers. That's why we are targeting influencers here. Now, the last but not the least, we have cost structure. So our cost structure will include website development, maintenance cost, software licensing fees, employee salaries, sales and marketing cost, and customer acquisition cost, as well as legal and administrative cost. And the last we have insurance cost. So insurance is basically why we have considered insurance, because we'll have the multiple properties with her. So we are also giving an option for our customer to insure their trips, and we are also giving the option to our host to insure their properties. So we are just facilitating them with additional services just to make their life easy. So this is all we have for the Tathastu. And again, the problem state, I'm repeating it one more time. How we can make staycation effective, accessible, and economical for 100 million millennials based out of India. That's all from my. That's all we have for today. Thank you. Thank you so much.